Hi friends, I am Abhishek Aneja and today I am going to talk about 5 type of investments that you must make in your investment portfolio. So the first type of asset is that you must have in your investment portfolio is gold. Gold is the sign of wealth and prosperity. People have been investing in gold for centuries. It is considered as one of the most safest assets that you can have in your investment portfolio, and the value of gold normally rises during the period of uncertainty, and it is a perfect hedge against inflation. The second type of investment that you should consider is investing in government bonds and securities. These are also considered as safest as normally the governments do not default. Moreover, you can also get certain kind of tax benefits on your investments, and which will help you in getting more annualized return on your investments by tax savings. The third type of investment that you should consider is investing in stock markets. Stock markets are barometer of the economy. When the economy grows, stock markets tend to rise. So if the economy is growing, stock markets are going to give you good returns on your investments. You can invest in stock markets either directly through investing in equity shares, or you can also purchase mutual funds or invest in unit-linked insurance plans as well. But a word of caution, investment in stock markets are subject to market risk, so you must consider all type of risk before making any investment in the stock market. The fourth type of investment, particularly in India, that people tend to make for the longer generations, and people have been investing for quite a long time, that is in land. Land is the finite resource. Mark Twain said, buy land, they are not making it anymore. So everything else can be produced except land. Land generally gives very good returns over a longer period of time. So if you have some spare funds, you can invest in land or property or in house, any other real estate asset. Real estate assets also generate returns in the form of rents for you. The last and the most important investment that you must make is the investment in yourself. Warren Buffett said, the most important investment that you can make is invest in yourself. So, ladies and gentlemen, you must invest in yourself. Investment in yourself will help you in growing in this ever-changing environment. It will help you to counter the new risks and take on the new opportunities that are coming day by day. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get ahead in your life and do something, then you must take up new courses, adopt new skills, and get ready to march ahead. Thank you.